Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we crochet the puff stitch pattern. It can be used for baby blankets or bags, etc. First, make the foundation as usual. You will find it is very easy when you know the rules. The first row is all short stitches. We still regard it as foundation. At the end, chain 1, then turn. Work from the second stitch, yarn over and pull yarn. Repeat 3 times. Try to keep the height of every loop the same. Then there are 7 loops on the hook. Pull the yarn through all the loops together. At last, chain 1. That's half of this stitch. Crochet another puff stitch in the same site. Chain 2 and skip 2 stitches. Same as the first space, 2 puff stitches in 1 space. Crochet to finish the second row in this rule. If you want a stripe pattern, change the yarn. The last stitch is half double crochet stitch, changing the yarn when the stitch unfinished. Turning and chaining 3. Next, go to the space between the first 2 puff stitches. In this space, crochet 2 puff stitches. Chains 2, skip 2. Repeat in the rules. At the end, 1/2 double crochet, then turn. Chain 2 first. Then crochet in the same rule. At the end, chain 2 and 1/2 double crochet. Change yarn now. Then the 5th row, chain 3 first, then crochet in the rules. When you get the suitable size, bordering the 4 edges with short crochet stitches. Now you must find that it is very easy. Thanks for your accompanying. See you soon.